What's the deal? What's up, gang? How you guys doing? How's everybody? Missed you guys. How's everybody doing? What up, Nate? What up, options? What's going on? All right, I just got in here. Not really had a chance to look at anything. Good. Close out the weekend really nicely, right? Close out the week actually really nice. Good. Mhm. All right, I think pretty much everyone got the notification. Everyone in here. We're a bit late to the session, but let's get it started. The weekly closed bearish. Do we come down for the week, or do we form a support? There's a daily level here, right? I think we can. There's a chance we can tap it and start holding the support here, and finally making our way back up, right? Oh, wow, the previous month doesn't have a top wick. This month doesn't really have a bottom wick. So what's up with all these small bottom wick? I don't know. Yeah, we're gonna be bearish for the weekly. The daily's closed bearish. I'm bearish for the day too. So looking to come down here. The 4 hours driving down heavy. We're at a 4-hour support. Let's see if we can break it. Very bearish here. If we hold, I mean, there's quite a bit of room, but we need to see some bullish closures at these areas. Got room. Nice reaction there, right at the 4-hour level. If you were looking at buys there, it would have been a hefty stop, though. How much is that stop? Like 211 pips. Oh, hold on a second. Kids are yelling, then. Everybody's yelling. Give me 1 sec. Let me tell them to quiet down. Craziness in the kitchen. Craziness in the living room. Craziness in the laundry room, everywhere. Going crazy. But yeah, nice reaction after 4-hour level. 211 pip stops, but that bounced up for a good 300 pips. Let's see, we got hourly down here. It's also a big stop. These are nice target areas to bounce off of, right? Because any kind of bounce, you're gonna get some pips. You're gonna 20, 30 pips, 40 pips. Just don't want to have that much risk against trend, against structure. So if we're talking pancakes, if we're talking something that I'd want to see, I would have to be like limit orders up here. Down here, I would rather see us hold support. If we can hold, right, in terms of limit orders, we can come down here, right? Hold some kind of, or we come up here, find support, and then we decide to retest. A lot will have to happen, right? If we come down here at this point, then I will have a limit order here at wherever we bottom out here, because I don't know what this week brings, right? This is from last week, and no, they're good levels, but the very last one right here with this wick is a really big stop. So if we can do this and use this stop, the more recent one, I will do that as we come down here, bounce off that area. Because even if we break it, we should see some kind of reaction. If we see one right now, if we see it hold right now, we should see a reaction. Right now, we just don't know how much orders over the weekend, have been grabbed, how much end in the market, and what kind of momentum we have. Right now, it's just heavily down, heavily bearish. I don't know if we break through all of this. or not, but I don't want to bet on it with such a big stop. In this case, I will. If all of this plays out, but by that time, we should have 2 or 3 trades set up for us. So we'll have opportunities. 15 here. How did that? Oh, why it closed bullish? So, interesting. Already over 100 pips. Let's see. Maybe how much room is there here? So coming down. 78, 60 cents, 111 pips room. If we can close below here, we'll see what the top wig brings on the next candle, but maybe we'll have some sells here. The stops would have to make sense. So if like the next candle top wig gives a 100 pip stop, there's no way I'm doing it. But if it's like 50, 60 pips, like there's a chance we take that down. You got in there where for buys? Right here? We're off last week, right? At 6 p.m. Market open? Savage. I mean, it's a great read. It's 4 hour. You're an absolute monster. 200 pip press. People at the Zoom door. Come in. Yeah, I would have had to be at the PC like 2 hours ago. One minute here. Just under here. So there's a couple of things that can happen here. If this closes bearish, we can look for buys. In this case, close above. Then current candle stops and we look for this. Okay, so if this holds here, right? It just tried to break, so it retested the lows, right? We created a low, came up, retested the low. Now, if we close above this resistance that we made on the next candle, then we're going to look to retest these highs here with this candle. Just see what happens. Let's wait for this to print. There we go. There's no buys. There's no sells on this candle. Nothing will happen on this 15-minute candle. We will wait for this candle to close. But if it closes above this resistance, we will start looking for some buying opportunity. All right, give me a second. I want to run to the bathroom. I'll be right back. You guys can chat amongst yourself. Oh, more people. Kenny, Kenny would not miss a gift.
You just muted yourself, Wix.
Oh, yeah, I did. Thank you. You heard me on the Zoom, not on there. I was saying, Kenny, man.
And then that's it. We didn't hear anything.
You guys are screwed. Kenny's here. Like the giveaway is going that way. If it's either going to Kenny, unless Eddie shows up, then maybe it's not that bad.
You know what? Anybody in the stream today deserves it. So whether it be Kenny or Turpy
or Jay
or Jay, me, or Jay Mac, or Options, or Bougie, or
yeah,
or Sam.
Well, at this point, you better list everybody. I bet you don't know everybody.
And Spectral also is here today, which is lovely to see him.
Yeah, your mic sounds clear as hell. This is W. A W.
Legit. And yeah, so anybody here?
As soon as I say that, he steps away from it.
Yeah, I'm exhausted, bro. I barely slept this weekend. My girlfriend's mom's birthday was yesterday, and today was my girlfriend's birthday. Bro, I am so fucking tipsy. Like, insane. We ate so much, and I'm still fucking tipsy from 2 days of drinking. And my daughter said her first word today. She
What
said
was
her
it?
first word
Money?
today.
Money?
She said by herself. No, no. She said, we have it on video actually. And my girl sent it to me. And it's Papa, Papa. So yeah, it's me. Yeah, what's up?
Yeah.
Wow,
I
that's
can't believe your girl sent you that. If I was her, I would have been like,
yeah.
no, 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 no. We're gonna redo this one. We're gonna redo this. Say mama. I'm filming. Mama.
She's
We're
been
like, take two. Take two.
all day. And my girl's like, well, she didn't say that, so it doesn't count. And then her mom's saying, no, it counts. It's correct because, I speak French, Egyptian, and English as well when I talk to her. She says they all count. Baba, Dada, and Papa. And she keeps saying it all the time right now. Like she's like, Baba, Papa, Papa, Dada. We're all looking at her like, okay, you said your first word. And
It's a
on
W.
my girlfriend's birthday, bro.
It's fire.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I
Congratulations.
didn't want to miss it. Thank you,
Congratulations, man.
proud papa. Yeah.
That's nice. That's nice. That's the real wealth right there, man. Family. What's up, Turfy? I see you. All right, give me a second. I was planning to go to the bathroom. That's what we're working for, not money to buy a Lamborghini. A lot more expensive than a Lamborghini, but it's also an investment, unlike most Lamborghinis. All right, guess the 5 drove up here. All right, we're gonna attempt this here. I don't know if it gets there. It might get close. It might not get there because of the 5 level. I don't know if we respect this 5 level here and bounce down, but I'm gonna attempt this off the 30 here. I'm sorry, off the 15. Okay, gonna be a sell. Limit sell 2, and we're gonna keep stops above here. It's roughly a 60, roughly a 70 pip stop. Okay. So heavily bearish, and there's no, I don't know, no bottom wick on this candle. If we're able to push up there right now, it might be like a next hour position, but if we're able to kind of push up here right now, we're looking for a small reaction there. So, I like that level. Gives us a solid stop. If we push up any further, we'll do this. Six, 75. Zoom door. Oh, I already did that. Yeah. Usually pop at 3 MGC on my daily live. One lot on my bigger account. The terrible towels are out in full force today. Oh, there goes a Green Bay touchdown. You trading through the holidays? I'm gonna trade through every day that I'm gonna be here. There's a chance I'm gonna be out and away, but last year I took a vacation after we were done. Like right before. I had a long weekend. So as long as I'm here, we'll stream. Far away. 60 pips, 70 pips. Over this again, I mean, this is a strong rejection area right on the daily, but the previous daily did close bearish. We haven't had a 4-hour closure yet for this week. Hourly's bearish, 30's bearish. What might be interesting here is we might have some buys here. If this pulls back here now, right? This whole wick is a range. At some point, it should be filled. I wonder if we can get yeah, it's 30, right? So I wonder if we can get a top wick on the next candle, come down, break the lows, and then the re-break of the highs. Then maybe we can. Oh, there it goes, refilling back. We need some Christmas money. Good point. It's just want Christmas to be profitable instead of, you know, because usually every year on Christmas, that's when people waste the most money or spend the most money. I don't want to waste, spend. All right, I guess it's going to be on the hourly close. We're going to have to wait on the hourly close. This didn't really pull back for us. It is closing above here. Well, let's see what kind of stops we get. $30 needs a bottom wick. Okay, all right, there we go. Huh? All right, coming up here, we're about 50 pips away from our entry. 40 pips. Let's see. Get this sit up straight here. Let's really lock in. Might come back down for a bottom wick. Wouldn't want that. I'd want to push up right now a little bit. Spoke about this 5 level. I might see a reaction there. What do we have? It'd be cool if we don't get there right now, right? And open up next hourly with that top wick. Because technically that would be the top wick for the next 4 hour on spot. The next hourly to retest the lows, top wick, retest the lows. Maybe we don't get a closure with the top wick here. That would be interesting, right? No top wick closure. That would make it this 30, no top wick, no bottom wick. Zoom door. Man. I think we'll get there one way or the other. Good evening, everyone. What's up, Spark? All right, bottom wick. See what it do. See what it. This is a 2 lot, right? We're gonna put a. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm not deleting it. I'm gonna make this 3. Okay. Ah! Whoa, whoa, whoa! God damn it! Sorry, I pressed market buy. Plus $30. Fuck. Limit sell 3. Damn it! I wanted to make this a 3. I stopped 3. Fuck. Oh man, I hate this shit. Market buying. Fucking lost the pip. Limit buy. Anyone else high as fuck right now? No, I haven't smoked in the last few hours. Not since like after the gym. We've been running errands out and about and shit. God damn it. Kind of annoyed. Stupid mistake. All right, maybe it doesn't get there. Yeah, Options is a man with a plan, right? Things are a lot more stress-free when you got a plan. This guy clearly has a plan. Wish I had a plan at some of you guys' ages, at like, you know, at 20, 23, 25, 28, 30. I had. I had no understanding of the fact that how I act causes people to talk about me when I'm not there, and what they say to each other matters. I'll put it that way. You have no concept, no realization of that no realization of that idea. You don't rationalize that in your head until you get older. We didn't do too badly, given where we are despite all the past BS. Yeah, I agree. But I also disagree. Like no, we didn't do too bad. Yeah, I don't disagree with that. But man, could I have? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if like there's definitely so many things I regret. Then I think about it and I'm like, do I really? Because they led me here, but like, all right, let's not get too sentimental over here. Looking for these cells, bro. Many regrets. Is one letter one of them? Not even a letter. This is the worst feeling because you can't do anything about it. All right, we got 3 minutes here for the hourly closure. Wow, that time flew by here. Wishing to be reborn is delusional, so we have one life to live and must strive to do our best within it. You know, I tell people, you know, like some of you guys act like y'all, like you get another chance at this. Like y'all have another shot at this thing, life, when it's done, right? And sometimes I catch myself acting like I got another shot at this. You know what I mean? It's like, just take your own advice. I wish somebody told me that so I could take my own advice. I'd be like, that's some good ass advice. I should have listened to myself. Huh. What's going on in here? What's up, booze? We just got some sell limits. That's about it. 2 minutes to go. Just a little bit of sell limit. Limited on this. Limiting these sells. You already know what I'm doing. Of course, bro. Are you at dessert yet? Have you had dessert? We are activated. Looking for roughly 92, 3 area. See if we can get down there. I activated at different places here. I got slipped on the live account by like 5 pips. See if we can see here about 20 pips or something. All right. All right. All right. No. Don't bounce up. Calm down. Bottom wick. There we go. There we go. There we go. Stops to break even here. Stops to break even. Let's close full on this one. And let's close full on the live account. Wow. Oh, what a closure. Oh, what a closure. It bounced back up. And she ran. This trade fucking ran. She ran. This trade just ran. Yeah, I'm too goofy for this shit. I shouldn't be trading. Oh, whoa. Yo. Whoa. I had a stop that I forgot to delete on my live account. I just deleted it. You guys saw the deletion in the signal channel. Sorry. I had an extra stop.
Break out the red panties. We're rich, baby.
I don't throw darts at a board. I bet on sure things.
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
God, that was a great movie. That was a great movie. Man, I missed that movie.
That was a really good movie.
Stacked massively on some new evals. 1/3 done in one trade. W, bro. That's so sick. Those 29 pips, I think we closed at our best closure. All right, so 29.
Yeah, I managed to get 36, so I got lucky there.
Yeah. Whatever, bro.
No, I'm just saying, like sometimes it just works out. So
No, it's all love.
Yeah.
It's all love. I'm just doing it for the sarcasm.
oh yeah, no. I get it. I'm just saying.
I get to make
sometimes-
reels out of this later. I chop it up.
Yes.
Well, I don't, but the
Sometimes
guys.
we get slipped wrong. This time we get slipped right. He's like, "All right, fuck off, bitch."
I took 36 on a buy.
Oh, you're a
Going to your
savage.
limit. Going to your limit.
All right.
Mhm.
So right from
Mhm.
here, as we were coming up, you're like, all right, we're gonna hit that limit. That's gonna be my TP.
There it is.
Yeah, that's crazy how people do that. You guys are wild. Damn, I lost that pip and a half earlier. I could have been at like 660 here, 666. I once had that. Like I took a trade and this shit ended up being 666, 66. I was like, I'm gonna have to take a loss here. I'm gonna open a position just with a one lot. Put a fuck in it. Yeah, ended up winning to like 712 or something. I was like, we're not sticking. I'm not opening up stream tomorrow with this shit saying 66666. Love seeing you smile. Thank you. I love the fact that you love seeing me smile. It's important to me. It's important.
W trade.
Yes. You know what we're gonna do right now? We're gonna open this up to the public, and then we're gonna run the giveaway just for you guys. So if you're part of the Zoom gang, hop onto the Zoom side. Diabolical. Sometimes you got to do what you got to do.
Terpy, I put your name already. Your name already in the chat in Zoom, just in case you're not there.
There we go. We are alive. We are live in the public. Live in the public eye. Oh, you guys are already dropping names? All right, all right. Don't put anything else in the Zoom chat except the names. Only the names, please. So I can make it easier for me. But congrats on that dub, everybody. Congrats on the
Don't forget
dubs.
to update the
The record. Yes.
the
yes.
record and the session trades.
Do that right now.
All right, I got you, Bougie.
5-4. Wow, that's great.
Oh, yeah, I put it in, Nate. Yo, Drizza, what's up?
What's it? What's it?
Well,
What you doing? None? Watching a game, drinking some bud? And she's like, what?
That was a great commercial, man. How
Yeah,
old
the-
was that commercial?
Bro,
Like 20 years
that was
ago,
at
bro?
least like 96, 97, maybe 98.
No.
Yeah.
30 years, bro? Almost?
More. It's got to be like the whole Budweiser, that whole thing ran from like early 90s. From like
I gotta
94,
check,
95.
man.
I'm telling you. You know why? How I know? I was because I moved to the US in 95. The Rangers won the cup in 94. The Knicks went to the finals in 94. I missed out that whole summer, but by 96, I was a big New Yorker. So, you know, I was looking at the old hockey, the replays. They used to do that shit all the time on MSG Network. And they do the replays of the Rangers winning the cup, playing the Vancouver Canucks, and they would be the old commercials. And I remember that they would, when they replayed, it would be the Budweiser commercials in the replay.
I looked it up, and it's 1999. That's the first time they played it.
Stop.
During Monday Night Football in December.
Go back. Maybe it's the Penguin I'm thinking of. The Penguin. Check the Penguin. Maybe I think that's what it was. The Rangers was the Penguin, and the Knicks was that shit. I think the
I'm saying
Rangers.
the What's Up commercial aired in 1999 on Monday Night Football in December of 1999.
Yeah, then I'm wrong.
A few months after that, on the Super Bowl in February, it aired, and it became a massive hit, solidifying its place in advertising history.
Go to
And
the
then-
Penguin. I think I'm talking about the Penguin. Yeah, but you're probably right. When the call is coming from inside the house, and they're like, inside the house, and the Penguin's in the bedroom. It was. I think that was a Bud Light or Bud Ice, but they were all the same. They're all mixed in my head. Penguin, Bud Ice.
Yeah, I'm looking at it. It still says 99.
No, that's wrong. It's definitely wrong. I've definitely seen the replay. It's one of those commercials.
Year.
Bud Ice Penguin.
96.
96. Oh.
Yeah, the famous Penguin official commercial was for Bud Ice in 1996, while the What's Up campaign for Budweiser was in 1999.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Oh, we're coming up to that 4-hour level. Hold on. That's not the 4 hour, the hourly. this is so tough because there's such a massive gap here that can get filled, right? This is just clean range. It's already kind of filled the gap.
Up 69 pips.
Damn.
What do you-
I think Daniel's back at the Zoom door. I think he got booted out.
Yes, he did.
He was never in.
He did get booted out. My go-to was Coors and Rolling Rock and bottleneck cans. I heard Coors was like terrible for you. You know what beer I like? I don't really drink beer. I've made a decision not to drink anymore in my life. So I'm just probably never ever gonna have alcohol again. And it's crazy that it was NyQuil that did it. It was the alcohol NyQuil that did it. But like I used to drink when we go out Peroni, the Italian beer.
Yeah, that's a good beer, bro.
The Peroni, I liked it. It was fresh. It was refreshing.
Yeah, this is pushing.
Like this is just clean. These wicks are gonna get filled, but I don't know if we're gonna reject here. If it rejects, it's gonna be a heavy rejection, right? To come back down. But it's not a high probability trade with this clean ass wick here. And maybe off this level where stops would make sense at like 50 pips. But I think we're Gucci for the night. 30 pips is great start to the week. Let's carry that momentum into the stream tomorrow. I want to do a giveaway here though. I want to give away a 50K account. So has everybody dropped their names on the Zoom side? Hey, if you're part of the private gang and you're on the YouTube side, hop over to the Zoom side. And there's going to be 15 of you. So your chances of winning a 50K are like 1 in 15. It's an instant funded. Yeah, it's a sim to funded or straight to funded, what is it called? But it's a funded account. It's not a challenge account. Straight fund. Stuff 88. Buy entry 4067 40. Hold on, we got to take the signal, gang. We might miss it. 4067. Nah, dog, we can't do that. We can't buy from here. Take your signal. Oh, hey, you locked me out. And a voodoo shit you trying to pull with that signal, bro. Damn. WTF. All right. ChatGPT, help us out.
If someone's still at the Zoom.
Oh yeah, there's more people at the Zoom door. I see you guys. Drop your names into the Zoom chat. Drop your names into the Zoom chat. Go ahead. You got 1 minute to do so while I do something else. Option started spamming dubs, bro. You're a W, bro. Spam some dubs, yo. Let's fucking go. Good shit, bro. You made me laugh. You know, you made me laugh because like I was literally like 5 seconds away from saying, "Yo, can you guys spam some dubs?" I was literally about to be like, "Yo, can you?" And then I see you spamming dubs. You're a fucking man. You guys are all amazing. Sick. Hold on. Can somebody tell Jorge in the general chat voice channel that we're live on YouTube, not on... Oh, there he is. He dipped. Jorge, man, if you're here, hop over to the Zoom side.
Yeah, I told him.
Zoom so we could do the giveaway. Wait on him. To make it fair. He missed the W, I think. Cause he wrote to me, he's like, "Yo, we running the Asian session?" I wrote back, but that was like an hour ago, and then like I don't think I seen him here for the trade. I think he missed.
Me too. Where is this? He's part of the signals, right?
He's part of the signals, yeah. Yeah, we had a nice. I didn't stream on Friday, but we had a couple of nice trades in the signals on Friday after the stream. Well, it was later in the session, later in the day, but back then. We had 50 pips after the stream. After the stream, I mean after like on Friday after the New York session, or during New York session, but later on. Whenever I woke up, whenever I actually got like an hour of rest. No private stream? We already did a private stream today. We already did one. Now we open it up. Well, we opened it up a little while ago. Where's he coming in here? If you're last call, if you're part of the Zoom game, part of the private channel, and you're on the YouTube side, hop onto the Zoom side so we could run this giveaway for a 50K account. Only 17 people in there. I don't know how many dropped their names right now. Jorge, hop on the Zoom side. You came late. Yeah, we already got a W. You missed that. But now you have a chance to win a 50K account if you hop onto the Zoom side, and we can do this giveaway. Morning Wicks from RSA. Is that Russia? Piotr Just. Piotr. Your explanation was confusing. It's only for private gang, right? All right. So, yeah, it's only for anyone in the Zoom side. Anyone that can hop onto the Zoom side. It's Sunday. It's only for them. South Africa. Oh. Peter. W. For the South Africans being in here today. Show up to the New York session because they complain that South Africans never win. All right, be in here. Jorge, we ain't gonna wait for you much longer. Mr. George, I need you to hop onto the Zoom side. The new guy, he's no good. If my signal hits again, give me a shout. But I don't know if it's gonna hit because we're like not on the same pair. Where's the Zoom? Oink. It's well, if you're in the signals, you should have this shit in the Sunday Zoom. There's a thing called Sunday Zoom in the Discord, in our free Discord. Have you not been here on Sunday? I swear you've been here on Sunday. Bro, if you win, the rest of Zoom is gonna be pissed. Wait, I don't. Jorge, are you in the signals, bro? Aren't you? He might not be in the signals.
So, but he's on Zoom during the week.
I don't know where he joined. I gotta consolidate all the places where you can join into one, and it's gonna be done. Just I've been busy. I don't know.
So somebody can be on Zoom without being in the signals channel?
There's no. You can be on Zoom if you can. No, you can't be here on Zoom without being in the signals channels today.
Right. So he should be getting the link for the Sunday Zoom then.
Wait, I don't know. I don't know if the guys deactivated the YouTube side. They should have deactivated the link from the YouTube side. If you guys are hopping in here from the YouTube instead of the,
I know I joined from the YouTube link.
You
Which
joined?
I don't see it on Zoom, so I don't know if you've added me into the members and
Oh.
I mean Discord. I don't see it on
Okay.
Discord, but I was able to join off of YouTube.
Nate just said he doesn't see him in the signals. So
Okay, then he's not.
then you're not
but
part of it. Okay.
but now I know what I need to do with YouTube. Gang, yeah, because there's going to be a restructuring of like access and how you can access what. So because I want to bring everyone into the community. I don't like people just chilling on YouTube, but like not being part of the discussion in the Discord and the community. I like the community has to grow, and if it's just like drive by on YouTube, it's not helping the community. I want you guys to understand that. So it's not like, oh, I don't want YouTubers to, the audience to watch. I just want to build a more tight-knit community and where everyone's kind of on the same page instead of like more all over the place. So my goal is to really consolidate the accesses, right? And I want you guys to join the Discord and the discussion. That's where the learning happens, in the discussions outside of the stream, right? But
I like that. That's really good, man.
yeah, that's the goal. But I thought some of the things were already deactivated. I guess not. So if you're on the YouTube side and you're paying for Zoom access through YouTube, it's gonna go away. But not because I don't want you guys to have access, but because I want you to join through Discord and be part of the community. But whatever it is today, that's what we're riding with. Whoever we have in the Zoom, that's what we're riding with. I'm not gonna stress it too much right now.
So you mean through Discord? You mean
Through WAP then. Only have WAP as the availability?
No, I'm probably gonna be removing WAP and doing it through a separate, just through my own site.
Oh, that's nice. All right, well, let us know so we can update the information on the bot.
Yeah, no,
For,
it's gonna,
that
it's in the works, but the goal is to really have it through my own site. This way, yeah, I'm not, under somebody else's processor or like, processing things through somebody else. Because first of all, WAP fees are high. Compared to what I can do on my own. I mean, they're a great platform. They do a lot of good things, but and it's not even about the fees. It's just about consolidating everything under one roof, right? And under one brand. That's the goal.
That's the best way to do it, bro.
That's the goal. Which platform are you using?
Trade with Dewey. I don't think it's written on the top right there. Is it? No, it's not written at all on the top right. Definitely not written at all on the top right. And there's definitely not the code there. that gives you currently, instead of 50, it's 55% off right now. It's definitely not written there. That's top1futures.com.
I think they did it.
You don't see it? You're not looking at the YouTube top right corner of the screen.
Definitely
It says
not.
top1futures.com.
Definitely nowhere on this chair.
Maybe it's written a little small. I have to agree. Maybe it's written a little small, to be honest with you, Wix. Maybe you can make the top 1 futures a little larger. I have to agree with that.
There's the...
Let me send you the link. Trade with Dewey, instead of you getting confused. Oh, look, there's a shirt there. Top 1 futures.
Dewey, Huey, and Louie. They had this. Gave me a hat. Oh, here it is. I found it. I look like a trucker. Damn, that logo too high. I gotta be like.
There you go, Trade. We do attack you.
So you can see right now.
I either
Top
look
1
like I
futures,
deliver
the link.
pizza, or you run into me at a truck stop with a chainsaw. Y'all order the pepperoni pie?
Actually, yeah, that would work with the beard and the hair.
It's the only kind of work I could get. If I look like this, pizza delivery, the only job I get hired at.
Oh yeah, with all the tats and everything. Oh yeah, ain't nobody else hiring for anything else. Definitely not a pharmacy.
Y'all bitches hiring?
Oh man.
I'm supposed to be like this if they want to see this shit, because I can't see. Yeah, I want to see the logo. It's gotta be like.
Yeah, actually, no, seriously.
Yeah.
On YouTube, top 1 futures is barely visible at the
It's
top.
gotta
I'm
go.
just gonna make it a
Gotta
little
go.
bigger.
Gotta go. All right. Alrighty, all right. Let's run this giveaway. Let's run this giveaway before Eddie joins. Let's do it. Let's run this giveaway before Eddie has a chance to ruin it for everybody. Where's this guy, man? I miss him winning the giveaways. If he shows up, I'll do another one.
Yeah, we love it when he doesn't win the giveaway. Yeah, exactly, Nate. You don't miss him either.
You don't miss him? No, I miss Eddie, man.
No, during the giveaway, we have a better chance to win.
I like Eddie. Eddie's a vibe.
Yeah, no, we chat with him in the Discord, bro.
All right, let's see. Let's see, chat. Who is the winner today? You ready? I'm gonna get Sonya. I'm gonna get an Indian nickname showing list before. No. Let's do it. Chief 2 phones.
Ah, it's 4 phones, but close enough.
Last of the buys. Rise with profit. There's a charts. Rise with Wi-Fi. Talk to Candle.
Options buys the dip. That's perfect. That's what he does, bro.
That is what he does. All right, gang. Good luck. Let's run this. Run it. Hey!
Derpy! Hey!
Look at that. Wait. They gave us the order in which it was going to pick. If Turpy didn't win, it was Kenny next.
Oh, wow. Yo, Turpy, what's up?
Yeah, congratulations, bro.
Yeah.
Is that the first one?
Yeah.
I don't remember Turpy ever winning.
No, it's his first time, and
Where is he? Where you at, bro?
He's
Is he on it?
He's in the chat. He's
Can he-
writing it. Let's go.
Can he-
Nice,
Oh, he's in the
Turpy.
YouTube. Yeah, he's in the YouTube. I didn't see.
Yeah, I put his name in the chat. My bad. It's my mistake. I should have written his name first, then my name. I would have won.
Stop.
Oh, wait a minute. Wait. So Jay put his name in. Isn't like a default?
Yeah, I put
Default
his
to
name in
Kenny.
for him.
Yeah, that's a default to Kenny.
See what I'm saying?
Can't blame a guy for trying, right? As they say.
Oh, he won. He won before. He gave it away. He gave it away to Daniel first. Oh man, you deserve this one, bro.
Yeah, he's keeping this one, I think.
Yeah,
Is he
he-
looking at
no.
buying one.
Nah, you
He's gonna
deserve it.
keep
50K W.
Yeah, he's gonna
Congrats.
keep it.
He gave the first one away. You see, it comes back to you. Life always has a chance of has a way of evening out and finding equilibrium, right? Everything always goes back to homeostasis. Always. Give me this shit. You know, you sound like what's his name? What's the Russian dude that won the UFC? He's like, fuck the belt. Dana, give me the money. Fuck that shitty belt. Dana looked at him like, what? Shitty belt. All right, W. Turpy, just DM me your full name and email, and I'll get you the credentials and the login. All that fun stuff. Do it today. See if I can get it over to you today. Send me your info today.
What was his name?
What?
I think it was Chimaya who said it.
Somebody, one of those guys, one of those Habibi guys, or Habib guys. Not Habib, but Habib. IG or Discord, anywhere you DM me, like when I don't remember wherever we spoke last time. Do it on IG. IG. No way, Habibi guys. No, I meant Khabib, like Khabib Nurmagomedov, one of those guys from where he's from.
This is definitely a
Channel for racists. So don't get offended when you guys hear something like that.
It's not a channel for races. Don't say that. It's a channel for no political correctness. All right, just you know, let's call a spade, and we're gonna call it the way we see it. That's it.
Sorry, I meant to say I'm the only racist one in the.
All right. There's nobody or no one's racist here. Everyone is off white. It's impossible to be racist when we're off white. This is when the producers are going in your ear. Take him off the air. Take him off the air now. Run. Go to commercial. Go to commercial.
This is a story about life, about struggle, about success.
Those
Not just
students
mine.
rejected just under 4,100 on spot, bro.
Because whether you see it now or not, we're all trading something every single day.
Okay, where's my beep?
Energy, choice.
I got rid of my beep.
That's life. That's trading.
Yeah,
Beep.
you
I
can't
wasn't
beat me,
always
bro.
here.
It's over. You can't
It
beat
wasn't
me.
always the guy.
It got deleted somehow. I gotta reinstall it.
Uncertain.
Legit. All right, hold on. Let me start with my rant here. It's like, no.
Nah, that may be my actual John, bro. I don't be meaning it literal way. Well, will you stream with Don? It's not even in like something I'm thinking about. Oh, you did delete that. It wasn't even something like that's
Timed out.
in the works or being thought about. Oh shit, bro. Another entry? It's 200 pips away from where price is. We're not gonna get there on session, so it's like, and if you're talking about spot, I'm not gonna go check spot. So different thing. Let's not like, bro. You got to charge for signals. Don't give them away free. But I hope it works out. I hope you win. Gang, all right, let's call it a session. I appreciate everyone showing up tonight. It's 9:30. We'd be closing up shop in about 20 minutes anyway. He's talking about spot. Yeah, I'm sure he's talking about spot. I'm talking for the content. W session, yeah, congratulations to Turpy. Like, if anyone deserves to win, Turpy is one of those people that really deserves it. So, shout out to you, bro. Congratulations. Congrats to everybody that took the dub with us and won. Damn, that was quick. Yeah, I mean, we've been here for about 2 hours, hour and a half already. I will see you guys tomorrow morning for our New York session. If you're still gonna trade throughout the night, good luck, my friends. And well, hopefully you don't need it. Hopefully you know what the fuck you're doing. All right? Zoom gang, see you guys in the clubhouse side of things until the morning. Yeah, there's probably no more. I'm probably not even gonna trade, or no. There's gonna be no signals throughout for the rest of the evening, probably till tomorrow morning. So part of signal channel, just go relax, take it easy.
Thank you, Wix, for tonight. Thank you.
Everybody.
No worries. Thank you, Jay. Thank you, Turpy. Thank you,
Peace,
everyone in the
family.
Zoom.
Peace, family.
Later,
Appreciate
fam.
you.
Peace, families. Yes, sir. Peace.
See you tomorrow. I need peace. I need love. I need everything that's coming from above. All right. Wait, how did the time just disappear? Oh, I saw the time disappear from my thing, from my stream. Another J, JFX, another J. Yeah, good night, everybody. Let's 3 J's, that's a lot. That's too much. The holy J Trinity. I'm gonna go smoke a J, go watch the rest of Monday night, put the kids to bed, and just relax for the evening. Big success to open up the week, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, all right? So, as for me, oh, chat, love and wisdom to you all, as always. As for me, my time here is up, and just like that, another New York session, or another Asian session, is in the books. Later. Get some rest. See you tomorrow morning.